Hi viewers, this is your Raju sir. Today I talking about your topic enzymes. You know that here the enzymes are classified into two types by the only conjugated enzymes or another one enzyme are there. So that is a non-conjugated enzyme. Here the conjugated enzyme is also called as holoenzymes. Here the conjugated enzymes is classified into the two types. So first one apoenzyme and the second one prostic group of the enzyme. Here the apoenzyme is a protein part of the enzyme and prostic group of the enzyme is non-protein part of the enzyme. Or another one enzyme are there non-conjugated enzyme. So here the enzyme is also classified into the two types. So first one coenzymes and the second one cofactors. So here the coenzymes are cofactors. So those are the coenzymes. Let I will discuss to the coenzyme. Here the coenzyme is not tightly binding of the protein. So coenzymes is not tightly binding of the proteins. So those are the enzymes is containing smaller molecules. Smaller molecules. The coenzymes is containing smaller molecules. And as well as we are observing to this coenzymes, here the coenzymes is not enzymes. So those are the coenzymes is whenever activate of the enzyme, here the coenzyme is binding to the another one enzyme. And as well as here the coenzyme is easily separated to the enzyme. Coenzyme is easily separated by the dialysis process. But here the enzyme, here prostate group of the enzyme or apoenzyme is tightly binding of the enzyme. So here the apoenzyme is only separated by dialysis process, temperature, etc. But prostate group of the enzyme is not separated by the dialysis process, temperature, but only separated by the chemical bound breakdown or inactivate of the enzyme. So that time prostate group of the enzyme is separated. So here the coenzymes coenzymes is easily separated by the dialysis process. So here the coenzymes is containing organic molecules. So here the organic molecules is always coenzyme is containing to the organic molecules which actually participated in the enzymatic reactions. Enzymatic reaction. The separation of the coenzymes inactivated of the enzyme. If the enzyme is inactivated, coenzyme is separated. If the enzyme is not inactivated, coenzyme is not a separated. Coenzyme is not a separated. Whenever inactivated of the enzyme, the coenzymes are separate of the enzyme. For example, we can observe here the coenzyme. For example, this is a substrate and this one coenzyme. So here the substrate complex coenzyme. Here the substrate organic molecule of the substrate. So here the organic molecule of the substrate is binding to the coenzyme. But if the coenzyme is separated by the dialysis process, coenzyme separate करना का टाइम में क्या करना dialysis process टाइम में coenzyme क्या कर रहा है ना the binding of the substrate will produce to the production. So production separate होगा and next one क्या कर रहा है ना coenzyme is conversion to the reduction of the enzyme. So आप लोगों को आइडेंटिफाई करना चाहिए. There are about 15 cellular coenzymes are there. 15 cellular coenzymes. A single organic substrate can act as a coenzyme may of different enzymes and substrates. A single organic substrate can act as a coenzyme. Single organic substrate and act as coenzyme. Coenzyme. So here the coenzyme में क्या कर रहा है ना? Maybe here the coenzyme is different एंजाइम एंड सबस्ट्रेट में भी को एंजाइम क्या कर रहे हैं ना, डिफरेंट एंजाइम एंड सबस्ट्रेट, एंजाइम और सबस्ट्रेट डिफरेंट हो गए वो को एंजाइम. द फॉलोइंग ऑफ द सम ऑफ एन इंपॉर्टेंट को एंजाइम्स. Let I will discuss to the small enzymes. First one, enzyme number 1, coenzyme number 1. Coenzyme number 1, coenzyme में 1 देखो, like NAD. NAD is one of the coenzyme. Nicotinamide adenine dinucleate. सो दिस वन को एंजाइम को क्या बोलता है ना, को एंजाइम 1. एंड नेक्स्ट वन एंजाइम NADP, निकोटियानाइड एडेनाइन डाइन्यूक्लियोफॉस्फेट. So this one coenzyme coenzyme 2 बोलते हैं. And next one, another one example of the coenzyme FMN, flavonomononucleotide. And another one coenzyme FAD, flavonoadenine dinucleotide. So those are the enzymes are first one coenzyme, and second one coenzyme, an example of coenzyme like coenzymes Q, this one enzyme coenzyme. And next one TPP, thiamine pyrophosphate. This is a coenzyme, oxidative enzyme. So those are another one example of coenzyme. And the next one example of coenzyme A. Next one example of coenzyme A. So tranacetylation reaction as the acyl group of the enzyme, and the next one coenzyme ATP coenzyme. So those are the enzymes are coenzymes. So once again I will repeat to the coenzyme. So coenzyme मतलब क्या कर रहे हैं ना, coenzyme is usually used for the organic molecule which actually participated in an enzymatic reaction. Point number 1. Point number 2, the separation of the coenzyme by inactivate of the enzyme. सेपरेशन कोएंजाइम सेपरेट करने के लिए एंजाइम इनएक्टिवेट होना चाहिए. And second one, it react with substrate molecule and undergoes reversible chemical components. Which components? Reversible chemical components. वो वाला अंडरस्टैंडिंग करना चाहिए. So here the coenzymes में क्या कर रहे हैं ना? So here the coenzymes is having some difference of the coenzymes. Coenzyme like about NAD, NADPH, and FMA and FAD. So this is one type of the coenzymes. And another one coenzyme, so coenzyme Q, TPP, thiamine pyrophosphate, TPP. So this one type of the coenzymes. This is oxidative coenzymes or decarboxylation coenzymes. And another one coenzyme A, acetyl coenzyme A. So this is another one coenzyme. And another one coenzyme ATP. So adenine triphosphate. This is one type of the coenzyme. So we are easily understanding to the coenzyme. And later I will discuss about cofactor. cofactors. So you know that, my dear students, cofactors, let I will discuss to the cofactors. So here the cofactors is a term generally used for inorganic ions like to the proteins part of the enzyme. So coenzyme में ऑर्गेनिक पार्ट्स, कोफैक्टर में क्या कर रहे हैं ना, इनऑर्गेनिक आयंस. So this one organic ions, so this one inorganic ions like the protein part of the enzyme. Inorganic ions like the protein part of the enzymes is also called as cofactors. Coenzymes are organic molecules compounds. Cofactors are inorganic molecule compounds. These are cofactors. These are mostly the ions of essential elements. So here पर क्या करना ना, ions are essential. Which type of the ions? Like potassium, magnesium, manganese, calcium, ferrous, zinc, chlorine. So those are the ionic cofactors are there. So here the ionic cofactors is also called as activating ions or activators. Activating ions or activators बोलते हैं. So this one में coenzyme के लिए. So first of all we are identified to this coenzyme, identified to the enzyme. So enzymes are structurally classified into the two types. So first one conjugated enzymes, second one non-conjugated enzymes. So conjugated enzymes is classified into the two types. So first one EPO enzyme, second one prosthetic group. So here the prosthetic group is also classified into the three types. So first one metallo enzyme, and the second one iron porphyrin, and the third one metallo flavino enzyme. Iron porphyrin protein, metallo flavino enzyme, and the metallo enzyme. So three types of the prosthetic group of the enzymes. And next one here non-conjugated enzymes is classified into the two types. So first one coenzymes, second one cofactors. Coenzymes, cofactors. Here the coenzymes example NAD, NADPH, FAD, FMA. So this one type of the coenzyme, and the second one type coenzyme Q and TPP. The second type, and third type of the coenzyme, acetyl coenzyme A, and fourth type of the coenzyme ATP. So this one coenzyme. So those are organic compounds. So this one inorganic compounds. Inorganic compounds such as potassium, manganese, magnesium, ferrous, zinc, chlorine, etc. Those are the enzymes. So we are must be observing to this coenzymes. So I will discuss about our new topic, isoenzyme. Isoenzyme or isozyme. Isoenzyme or isozyme. So must be listen here to the isozyme or isoenzyme. So here the isozyme or isoenzyme matlab means so it is known that a single biochemical reaction is catalyzed by the single specific enzyme. So it is known that a single biochemical reaction which type of the biochemical reaction? Single biochemical reaction is catalyzed by specific enzyme. It is known that the single biochemical reaction catalyzed by specific enzyme, isozyme. So that means only one enzyme can act as given a substrate. That means only one enzyme can act. Only one enzyme can act on given substrate. सो वन एंजाइम क्या कर रहा है ना, वन सबस्ट्रेट में क्या कर रहा है, रिएक्शन कर रहा है. ओनली वन एंजाइम कैन एक्ट एज ए गिवन सबस्ट्रेट. एनी सबस्ट्रेट आर देयर, वो सबस्ट्रेट में ओनली वन एंजाइम एक्टिवेट कर रहे हैं, वो सबस्ट्रेट में एक्टिवेट होगा, नहीं तो क्या करना है. जनरली क्या बोलते हैं ना, हमारा लोगों बोलता है बट द स्टडीड हैव आइडेंटिफाइड द more than one enzyme can act on the same substrate, can also perform the same type of the reaction. जनरल क्या बोलते हैं, more than one enzyme क्या कर रहे हैं ना, more than one enzyme can act one same substrate, it perform the same type of reaction, same type of reaction. It performs same type of reaction. So more than one enzyme, यहाँ पर क्या करना, only one enzyme can act as given substrate. For example यहाँ पर देखो, वन एग्जाम्पल में बोल दूंगा, क्या एग्जाम्पल है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल लैक्टिक डिहाइड्रोजनेज एंजाइम, lactic dehydrogenase enzyme. So lactic dehydrogenase enzyme, so this is a one enzyme. सो दिस वन एंजाइम क्या कर रहा है ना, कहाँ पर कर रहा है, लैक्टिक डिहाइड्रोजनेज एंजाइम. So here the lactic dehydrogenase enzyme performed to form to the lactic acid. कहाँ पर परफॉर्म कर रहा है, lactic dehydrogenase enzyme involving in pyruvic acid. So pyruvic acid ब्रेक डाउन कर रहा है. यहाँ पर ब्रेक डाउन करने के लिए की एंजाइम चाहिए, लैक्टिक डिहाइड्रोजनेज एंजाइम. सो लैक्टिक डिहाइड्रोजनेज एंजाइम, फॉर एग्जांपल दिस इज ए पायरुविक एसिड. सो दिस वन पायरुविक एसिड में क्या करना, लैक्टिक डिहाइड्रोजनेज एंजाइम क्या कर लेना, बाइंडिंग होगा. सो दिस वन पायरुविक एसिड, दिस वन लैक्टिक डिहाइड्रोजनेज एंजाइम. सो बोथ आर एंजाइम सबस्ट्रेट प्लस एंजाइम कॉम्प्लेक्स. डिहाइड्रोजन करना के बाद क्या कर रहा है ना, सो दिस वन प्रोड्यूस कर रहा है, विच वन प्रोड्यूस कर रहा है, लैक्टिक एसिड. लैक्टिक एसिड प्रोड्यूस किया. क्या प्रोड्यूस किया, लैक्टिक एसिड प्रोड्यूस किया. सो लैक्टिक एसिड प्रोड्यूस करने के लिए क्या चाहिए ना, लैक्टिक डिहाइड्रोजनेज एंजाइम चाहिए. और अदरवाइज एंजाइम पार्टिसिपेट करेंगे तो यहाँ पर लैक्टिक एसिड प्रोड्यूस नहीं होता है. इसलिए लैक्टिक एसिड डिहाइड्रोजन करने के लिए क्या चाहिए, लैक्टिक एसिड डिहाइड्रोजन करने के लिए लैक्टिक डिहाइड्रोजन एंजाइम चाहिए. सो ओनली वन एंजाइम कैन एक्ट एज गिवन सबस्ट्रेट. So this is the only one enzyme can act as given substrate pyruvic acid to form to the lactic acid, For example यहाँ पर क्या कर रहे हैं ना, यहाँ पर एस्पेरिक एसिड डिहाइड्रोजनेज मिलेगा तो वो नहीं होते. अल्फा कीटोग्लूटारिक एसिड डिहाइड्रोजन मिलेगा तो वो वाला लैक्टिक एसिड नहीं होते. So that means only one enzyme to perform to give to the given substrate. But sometimes more than one enzyme can act as a substrate. It performs same type of the reaction. These enzymes are derived from a single enzyme having a small difference in their molecule structure. Such a group of different form an enzyme performing same function are called isoenzymes. Isoenzymes मतलब क्या है, some enzymes are derived from a single enzyme having a small difference in their molecule structure. One enzyme का structure क्या करना, small difference of the molecule structure. Such a group of different form of enzymes performing same function. Such a group of enzyme forming different from the same group, that enzymes is called isozymes enzymes or isozymes बोलते हैं. isozymes. Very important 2 marks question. Isozymes means क्या है, a small different form of enzyme performing a same function. Small different enzyme performing as a same function is called isozymes or isoenzymes. Isozymes are isoenzymes. So must be understanding here. Isozymes are isoenzymes. So isozymes are defined as the enzyme performing the same function. This one definition. Isozymes are defined as the enzyme performing the same function but having more than one molecule more than one molecules form within same organism or within same tissue. So आप लोगों को आइडेंटिफाई होगा ना. Isozymes are defined as the enzyme performing the same function. Isozymes are defined as the enzyme performing the same function but having more than one molecule form within a same organism or same tissue. So these enzymes are called isozyme enzymes. An example of lactic dehydrogenase enzyme. An example करने के लिए easy होगा. So this is a isozyme, very very important. Isozyme or isoenzyme के लिए. So I will discuss about our new topic. Nomenclature and classification of the enzymes. Classification of the enzymes, very very important. Nomenclature and classification of enzymes, very very important class. Nomenclature and classification of enzymes. So here reaction. Enzymes are generally named according to the types of reaction they catalyzed. Enzymes are generally named according to the types of the reaction they catalyzed or the substrate they attack. Substrate attack करना टाइम में एंजाइम का नेम दे दिया और सबस्ट्रेट और एंजाइम कैटलाइज करना के टाइम में हम लोगों को क्या करना नेम दे रहे हैं. Those which catalyzed or reduction are called reductase. For example, some enzymes, the catalyzed of the enzymes or reduction of the enzymes is called reductase enzymes. Reductase enzymes. Those which are catalyzed or oxidation are known as oxidized enzymes. Oxidases enzymes, reductase enzymes, oxidases enzymes. And next, and those catalyzing carbohydroxylation are called carboxylase enzymes. Carboxylase enzymes. In order to determine the name of the enzymes usually practiced is to add the suffix ASC as suffix क्या है AS with the name of the substrate attack. Thus the enzymes catalyzing maltose, sucrose, lactose, cellulose and urea are respectively known as maltase, sucrase, lactase, cellulase and urease. So those are the enzymes we are calling about this suffix of the enzymes. And the next one, here the enzymes. And the next one, suffix of the enzymes, आप लोगों को पता है. So suffix के बारे में क्या करना है, वो enzyme में prefix are there. So those are the enzymes. So let I will discuss to this enzymes. Those are the enzymes. Let I shall discuss this enzymes. So which enzyme discuss कर रहे हैं यहाँ पर, let I will discuss.